Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and this is the second video of me building a dining table. The first part was about the tabletop and here we will focus on the legs. I didn't like the look of a table with 4 corner legs, so I decided to go for just 2, let's call them central legs, one on each side. Each of them has 2 horizontal supports, one on the top and one on the bottom, and one giant vertical part that is actually split into 2. So the legs are actually symmetric from left to right and from top to bottom. They are designed with respect to my manufacturing possibilities, of course. There is a large chamfer on the supports and those were cut on my table saw with this jig that I built specifically for this purpose. It ensures that all of the chamfers are exactly the same. Although I wanted the design to be really simple, I am adding one extra design element to the vertical part of the leg assembly. It is an inlay of fabric, which was a leftover piece from another project. I think it's going to add some character to the table, and also the color contrast should look good. I'm using my homemade router table with micro adjusting fans to cut the grooves for the inlay. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video explanation of how this table works. Now you can hopefully start seeing how all the parts fit together. It's just a bunch of pieces that are glued together. That's all. There are no traditional joints. The vertical parts are like sandwiched between the support pieces. There's a lot of glue surface, so the entire leg assembly should be really rigid and act as one piece. It's a great idea to remove all of the glue squeeze out right here rather than scrape it off later after it has completely dried. Old cloth and a few drops of water work really well. I'm attaching my legs, well, not my legs, but my table's legs to the tabletop with threaded inserts. And here's a quick tip for you. Lubricating them with WD-40 helps to cut the threads better, and also when they are dry they tend to break on the final tightening. In the beginning, I didn't think that the horizontal stretcher was necessary, but the table was wobbling a lot from side to side. It just didn't have enough stability. So I glued and screwed the stretcher to its place, and with it, the table's stiffness went through the roof. I got inspired by Matthias Wandel to do final testing that will hopefully be non-destructive. And the table is now ready for its new home, where it will hopefully fit well with the previously made furniture and serve a long life. Guys, let me know in the comments what do you think of the table, and also what do you think of this video format of me explaining the steps, or let me know if you would like to perhaps see some pure building videos with no commentary, or maybe some more tutorial based videos in the future. I will definitely be back with some other interesting project, but until then, thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.